If you want your box to perform brand new, like the first day you bought it, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. This is the only way to speed it up, to gain more resources, so it works top notch. All of that coming right up. Hello you guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Don't worry, you don't have to open up your box or mess with the components in there or anything like that. Everything is done through the software, and I'm going to tell you how to do it all. We all buy Android boxes. It doesn't matter which one it is. It doesn't matter how expensive it is, how much memory it has. And we're very happy with the results at first when we bring it home. It's very fast, it performs well, right? We like what we see. But then months down the line, we see that the box starts to get laggy, it freezes a lot, it buffers a lot, it just doesn't work the same way. And that is because over time, by watching movies and TV shows and live TV, the resources in the box starts to fill up, right? And you have to clean it all up. Sure, you can clear cache in Kodi, you can delete thumbnails in Kodi, you can purge packages, you can even clear cache on the individual apps that you have installed on your Android box, but that doesn't really do anything for you. That doesn't really fix the core problem of the box. That doesn't improve the performance. I'm going to tell you the only way that I know of that will get rid of all the junk that you have installed in your system. Okay, now you come here into the settings, open up the settings, and for a lot of you, I know these may sound silly. Well, I knew that, Solo Man, but the majority of you, I'm pretty sure you don't, or you don't apply it to your box, and you don't do it as often as necessary. Okay, now you have to go where it says backup and reset. Okay, and you're gonna do a factory data reset. You're gonna pretty much, all of the Android operating system, all of the boxes have the same menu. You will get to these somehow. It's pretty simple, and pretty much it's the same way that I'm showing you. Okay, let me just go back one more time. Okay, and you have to go into the settings. The settings may be where you have all of the applications and stuff, right? You go here into the settings. Where do I have the settings here? I guess I'm getting old. All right, settings, and then you have to go here, down here where it says backup and reset, and you have to do a whole factory reset. You click on that, it's going to ask you if you want to erase everything. Yes, erase everything. And why do you want to do that? Because that's the only way to really clean the whole system and start fresh. Now, the downside to these is that you will lose all of the add-ons and repositories that you had already in your Kodi, or the applications that you had installed and the APKs that you had installed on the Android box itself. But it's pretty simple to bring them all back and to install them all back. You're gonna have a box that is gonna run 100% faster, that is gonna perform well, that is it's not gonna freeze, it's not gonna buffer as it's buffering and freezing and doing all and having all of those problems that you have right now. Now, as far as Kodi goes, if you don't want to install all of the repositories and add-ons individually, one by one way of doing it is by installing a custom build. I'm not a big of a fan of builds, and I'm going to do a separate video of what I think is the best, right? Mainly because the developers don't update their builds as often as they should. But if you find a build that you know has been updated recently, you watch a YouTube video or whatever, and you know that developer just updated that build, you can go with that. But always make sure that whatever build you install is always up to date. Now, you can go that route. You can install a build that has everything installed for you, and boom, you're done, right? In case that you had any applications installed, just go to the Google Play Store and install them. If you had an APK installed that is not found on the Google Play Store, go ahead and install it again. But I recommend doing this at least if you use the box heavily. If you watch a lot of content, a lot of movies and shows, I recommend doing it at least every 8 or 10 months. At least every 8 or 10 months to make sure you get rid of everything, you clean the whole system, and you start fresh. If you don't do that, the junk, the old files are gonna stored on your system. It's gonna pile up that and will make your box no longer usable, at one point. So it's very, very important to do this. Now, nobody tells you to do this because this is something like radical. You have to clean the whole system, you have to get rid of everything and install everything brand new, but it's really the only way to go. Let me know what you think on the comment section below. I'd love to hear your feedback on this one. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe because YouTube will send you notifications of anything new that comes out regarding Kodi, IPTV, new builds, new APKs for Android, new private channels for Roku. They'll let you know, hey, there's something new out. You got to watch this video. So that's why it's crucial that you're always subscribed, not just to myself, to your favorite YouTubers. Hit that subscribe button and do that, and also watch other people's videos out there to get a wider range of things, of how things work, and how to tweak your Kodi and your Android boxes and get a different view. Alright, I highly recommend doing that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.